Zarda Shamsil and my roll number is 43894. Today I discussed about summary on research paper of global warming. This review article will offer compiling evidence that global climate change caused by global warming is already underway and is need of immediate attention. Many researchers, engineers, and environmentalists are expressing deep concerns about change in the overall climate of the planet. Fossil fuels are being continuously used to produce electricity. The burning of these fuels produce gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides, which lead to global warming. फॉसल फ्यूल्स मुसलसल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पैदा करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, लेकिन फॉसल फ्यूल्स की बर्निंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन और नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करती है, जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को लीड करते हैं. डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज़ आल्सो लीडिंग टू वार्मर टेम्परेचर. द hazard of global warming is continuously causing major damage to the Earth's environment. Most people are still unaware of global warming and don't consider it to be a big problem in years to come. What most people don't understand is that global warming is currently happening and we are already expressing of its weathering effects, and it will severely affect ecosystems and disturbs ecological balance because of the treacherous effect of global warming. Some solution must be devised. The paper introduced global warming, elaborate its causes and hazards, and present some solutions to solve these hot issues. Above all, alternative energy sources as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal energy sources need to be seriously pursued. Finding and using renewable sources of energy one of the methods to combat the ever increasing global warming effectively. Here we discussed that what the IPCC Interrogative Panel on Climate Change report that for several decades surface air temperatures in the Arctic have warmed at approximately twice the global rate. In both polar regions, climate change will lead to decrease in habitat, include sea ice for migratory birds and mammals, with major implications for predators such as seals and polar bears. Reproductive success in polar bears has declined, resulting in a drop body condition, which in turn is due to melting Arctic sea ice. Without ice, polar bears can't hunt their favorite prey seals. Change in composition and range of plants and animals on the Arctic Peninsula and on the sub-Antarctic islands. Increase in overall greenness of parts of the Arctic and also in Antarctic Peninsula. Change in position of the northern limit of trees. Increase in biological productive and change in species region as shifts from tundra to scrublands. The poleward migration of the existing species and competition from invading species will continue to alter species composition and burdens associated vulnerabilities, pattern to biodiversity, and spread of animal transmitted disease beyond the Arctic. Observed hydrologic and cryospheric changes impact on Arctic freshwater, perennial and near-shore marine systems. The retreat of Arctic sea ice over recent decades has led to improved marine access, change in coastal ecology, biological production, adverse effects on many ice-dependent marine mammals, and increased coastal wave action. Warming of areas of the northern polar ocean has had a negative impact on community composition, biomass, and distribution of phytoplankton and zooplankton. Projection of change agree that retreat of glaciers will continue across Arctic glaciers with a consequent impact on global sea level, climate change, and polar regions. We will discuss about global warming and climate change. Global warming and climate change refer to the increase in average global temperature. This is due to the increase in greenhouse effect. With the increase in greenhouse effect, natural events such as forest fires, volcanic methane release from these ocean flood and release of methane gas from cattle, wetlands, and anthropogenic sources. Industrial production of greenhouse gases, agriculture, water loading activities such as paddy cultivation, artificial wetlands, and deforestation. Warming of the earth causes road change on pre-existing weather pattern. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), there are several indications of changes with the warming world. We discussed about factors increase with global warming: temperature of land, sea surface temperature, tropogenic temperature, temperature over oceans, ocean heat content, sea level, humidity. Factor decrease with global warming: glaciers, snow cover. We discussed about greenhouse effect. Weather and climate of the earth is driven by the sun energy. Solar radiation hits the earth's surface and is to the earth radiates the energy back into space. Some gases of the atmosphere trap some of the outgoing energy and heat to cause it to increase in the global temperature. It also causes subsequent change in weather. Here we discuss GWP values and lifetimes. Greenhouse gas methane lifetime 12.4. GWP type 100 years 34. And the following CFC carbon tetrachloride nitroxide. Since 1830, Earth's average temperature has warmed by 0.8 Celsius and 40 Fahrenheit. This has reached a peak in 2014, even though it's an ion neutral year.